Yo, yo, I stepped in the game, fierce and ready to rise, with the fire in my heart and the vision in my eyes. City lights shining, illuminating my dream.
Ever wanted to make your photo sing your favorite song? Today, I'll show you how to make any photo sing any song in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. First, download HitPaw Edimakor. You'll find the official download link in the description below. Step 2. Make your photo sing. Click AI Avatar, then select Singing Photo. Import the music you want to use. Edimakor supports audio clips up to 28 seconds. If the song you import is longer than 28 seconds, you can trim it in the pop-up window. Next, scroll down to choose from a variety of avatars: Christmas, 3D cartoon, anime, folk music styles, and more. Take your time and have fun exploring the options. You customize your own avatar by uploading your photo here, or let the AI generate an avatar for you. Once you've selected your final avatar, click Generate to see the result.
Yo, I stepped in the game, fierce and ready to rise, with the fire in my heart and the vision in my eyes. City lights shining, illuminating my dreams. Breaking through the noise, hear the sound of my schemes. I'm a queen on the throne, no fear in my stance. Dodging all the pitfalls, gotta take my chance. In a world full of doubters, I'm building my brand. With every lyric I spit, I'm taking a stand. They said I couldn't do it, but I'm here to prove them wrong. With every verse I drop, I'm writing my own song.
If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.